So today, open your book, class 5 book. This is your class 5 book, and today I will start exercise 2.2. Okay. So in this exercise again we will learn how to subtract more questions. We have already learnt many topics in this, but here again we have some more properties of subtractions, and here the properties of subtractions are that like if you are subtracting two numbers, then if you change, you cannot change the order of the numbers. Like in case of addition, you can change the order of the numbers, but in this you cannot change the order of the minuend and the subtrahend. But in case of addition, you can change the order of the addends, but here we cannot do this. And when you subtract a number by itself, the answer is always 0. Okay, when you subtract a given number by itself, then the answer is always 0. So these are the two properties here. So now solve question number 1, exercise 2.2. Here question number 1a. So subtract the following and mark the periods in the answers. Okay, so here we have to subtract the number and then we have to mark the periods. So the first number is 6,34,568. And other number is 3,92,709. Okay, so subtract these two numbers. So how will you subtract? You know how to subtract. So here you have 8 here and this is 9, so you have to take you have to borrow from 6 here, so it will be here 18, and here you will have 5. Okay, so 18 and 18 minus 9 will be 9, and 5 minus 0 will be 5, and here again you have to, because 5 is less than 7, so again we have to borrow from this 4. So here you will have 15, and here it will be 3. So 15 minus 7 is 8, and 3 minus 2 is 1, and here again you have 3. So again you have to borrow from 6. So you will have 13 here, and 13 minus 9 is 4, and here it will be 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So answer is 2,41,859. Okay, and here put the periods. Okay, so it is 2,41,859. So now next question, this is A, and then question number B. Okay, so or question number C. I will take question number C. It is here 9,2,0,3,6,8,3. That is it is 92. If you put the periods here, that is this here, and that will be 9,20,36,080. It will be here like this, and this here. So this comma here, okay. So you have here 92,03,683, and the other number is 1,76,458. So this number, and we have to subtract this. Okay, so see your book and see the question in your book. Okay, so now let us subtract this. So how will we subtract? So first see here it is 3. So 3 is less than 8, so we have to borrow. So you will borrow from 8, and here it will be 13, and here it will be 7. Okay, then next here 13 minus 8 will be 5, 7 minus 5 2, and 6 minus 4 2. Now here 3 and then 6. 3 is less than 6, so here we have to borrow from this 0. So it will be here 13 and because 0 does not have anything, so we have to borrow 1 from this 2. Okay, 1 from this 2, so you will have 1 here in this case, and here you will have 10. Okay, and then again you will give 1 to this, then you will have here 9. Okay, so 9 minus 7 will be here 2, and 13 minus 6 will be 7, and 1 minus 1 here 0, and then 9. So answer is this, that is 90 lakh 27,000, 90 lakh 27,225. Okay, this is the answer. And yes, so this is the subtraction. And next I will solve question number E, or take up D here. Okay, I will solve here D, question number D here. So it is 53 or 5 crore 36 lakh 5 crore 36 lakh 98,703. Okay, this is the number. And next number is 3 crore 27 lakh 69,482. So this is the number, and subtract these two numbers. So 3 minus 2 is 1, and here 0 and 8 here. So take borrow from this 7, so you will have 6 here, and it will be here 10. So 10 minus 8 will be here 2, and 6 minus 4 will be 2 again. And now here again 8 is less than 9, so borrow from this 9. So you will have 8 here, and you will have here 18. So 18 minus 9 will be 9, 8 minus 6 will be 2, and next here again 6 is less than 7, so we have to borrow from 3. So it will be here 16, and here it will be 2. Now 16 minus 7 will be 9, and 2 minus 2 0, and 5 minus 3 2. So this is the answer. Now put the periods here. So this and this, that is 2 crore 9,29,221. So this is how you will subtract these two numbers. Now question number 2, you subtract each of the following and check the answer. In case of subtraction also, while subtracting, like here I have subtracted these numbers, okay, and I got these answers here. So how will you check this? Okay, let us do it in this, then I will explain you how to check. So question number 2, checking here, subtract. So question number A, okay, question number A here. So first write the numbers. 6,71,209. Okay, periods are marked here. So 3,21,345. So these are the numbers, and subtract these two numbers, and then after subtraction we will check it whether our answer is correct or not. So 9 minus 5 is 4, and here 0, then cut it, then here it will be so 10 minus 4 is here 6, okay, and here it is 2, then what is left here? Then it is 1 here. Okay, so here again 1 is less, and here 3, so you will have here actually 11 in this case, and here it will be 10, and here it will be 6. So 11 minus 3 is what? 8, and 10 minus 1 is here 9, and 6 minus 2 is here 4, and 6 minus 3 is 3 here. Now let us check it. 9 minus 5 4, and here it is 0, so we will borrow from this 2, 1 we will borrow here, so 1 is left here, so we will borrow again, then 11, and here 10, and then 6. So now how will you check here? Okay, see, this is the answer, and write again this number here. Okay, this number, that is 3 2 1 3 4 5. Okay, this is called subtrahend, this is called manual. Okay, so next write this here, and write this number here. Okay, this here 3 4 5 3 4 9 8 6 4 here. So now add all these numbers. Okay, that is this answer. you will add this and this. Okay, answer, and after addition, when you add these two numbers, you should get this number. Okay, this number here. And if you are not getting this, then it means that this subtraction is not correct. So add here. Now see, here we have got the same answer here, that is 6,71,209. When you add this answer to this number, then we will get the same answer here, that is 5 plus 4 is 9, and 6 plus 4 is 10, then carry here 1, so 8 plus 1, 9 plus 3, 12, then again carry 1 here, so 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, and again carry here 1, so 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7, and 3 plus 3, 6 here. So see that here this and this are same. Okay, they are same here. So then this answer is correct. Okay, this is how you will check the answer. Now I will do question number C. So question number C is 7 crore 36 lakh 86,364, and other number is 4 crore 58 lakh 92,556. So we have to subtract this. Now subtract here. So the numbers are correct here. 4 lakh 4 crores 58 lakh 92,556 here. Now it is 4 and 6. So you will borrow from this 6 here. So you will have here 14. Okay, and then it will be here 5 left here. Next here 14 minus 6 is 8, and 5 minus 5 is 0. Now it is 3, again less than 5, so again borrow, then you will have here 13, and here it will be 4, so 13 minus 5 will be 8, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Now again 8 is less than 9, so again borrow, so you will have here 18, and here it will be 5, so 18 minus 9 is what? Here 9, and here because 5, actually it will be here 15, because here again 6 is less than 8 here, so we will have 15 here, and then here also you will have 12, and here it will be 6. Okay, so this here, now 15 minus 8 will be 7, and 12 minus 5 will be 7, and 6 minus 4 will be 2 here. So this is the answer. Now check. Okay, so how will you check here? Check. So here add these two numbers, that is 4, 5, 8, 9, 2, 5, 5, 6, and 2, 7, 7, 9, 2, 8, 0, 8. So add these two numbers, that is this number and this number. So 8 plus 6 is 14, then carry 1, then 5 plus 1 is 6, 8 plus 5 is 13, then carry here 1, then 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 9 plus 9, 18, carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, then carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6, and 6 plus 7, 13, then carry 1 here. So 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7 here. Now observe this number and this number. Are they equal or not? They are not equal. Here something is wrong. Okay, so it is 2 crore 77 lakh 92,808 here, and here it is something wrong here. It is actually it should be here 5. Okay, yes, 5 minus 2 here it is 3. Okay, so see here that after checking we catch the here error. Okay, we can catch the error like this. Okay, see it was here 5, so 5 minus okay, that is it is 6 here, so 5 minus 2 is 3, so it is 3 here now. So answer is here 3 in this case. then write 3 here, then 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1, now see it is 6. Okay, so now that here our answer was not correct, so now it is correct. See, now 9 plus 9 is 18, then here carry 1, then 8 plus 1, 9 plus 7, 16, and then again this, so now it is correct. Now see here that it is 7 crore 36 lakh 86,364 here, and also here 7 crore 36 lakh 86,364 here. So now both are correct. So this is the check. Okay, so here this answer, that is this number and this number, both are equal. It means that this answer is the right answer. Okay, so this is how you will check. So here in the PDF I have given you the answer, so you will solve the questions in that format. Okay, so now question number 3, find the differences on subtracting the following. So here again we have to subtract the numbers, but here you are given that subtract this number from this number. So from this number means you must write the other number first and the first number later, and then subtract as usual. So question number 3, question number 3A. So in this find the difference. So write 54,201, and the other number is 22,873. So this now subtract. So here 1 is less than 3, so borrow, then you will have here 11. Okay, and it is 0 here, so you have to borrow from this 2 and give 1 to this number, then you will have actually here 9. Okay, and here you will have 11, and here it will be 3, and then 11 minus 3 is 8, 9 minus 7 2, 11 minus 8 is 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So answer is 31,328. And here you can check this answer also quickly. Just add these two numbers, 8 plus 3, 11, carry 1, then 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10, that is 0, then again carry 1, 8 plus 3, 11, plus 1, 12, again carry 1, and 2 plus 1, 3, and that 1 equal to 4, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is correct. Okay, so you can check quickly by adding this answer to this manual, actually subtrahend. So this is how you will write the answer of these questions. Now next question, in this also you have next. So I will solve question number C, because most of the questions I have solved in the PDF. Okay, so let us solve question number C. So in this you have 89,899, and the other number is 7777 and this, okay, 777. So this answer, and it is very easy because now 9 minus 7 is 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So this is the answer. Okay, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 2 again, 8 minus 7 is 1, and 9 minus 7, 2, 8 minus 7, 1. So answer is 12,122. Now next, question number 4, and in this we have to find the missing digits. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, you will enjoy finding the missing digits in this subtraction. So let us find how to find the missing digits in the given question. So let us see here, question number A. You have the numbers 4, 7, 5, and there is a box here, and then 6. So, and other number is 1, 8, box 1, 8. Then you have again the missing number box here, and then 3, and this is here 5. Okay, write the digits separately so that it will be easier to solve the question, okay, easier to find the answer. And here again you have the box and 8911 here, 8911. So now let us find what will be the digit in this box. So now see here, 6 minus 5 is 1, that is correct here, okay, 1. And next here it is 1. So now it is this box here. So what number you will have here, so that this minus this will be 1. Can you guess this number? So this will be actually 4, okay, because 4 minus 3 is 1. So here it will be 4 in this case, okay, write 4 here. So 4 minus 3 is 1, and now here it is 5 and here 9. So now what number you will subtract from 5 to get 9? We don't have any number, okay. So here actually it should be here 15, okay, 15 here. So you will write here 15 in this case. Then 15 minus what number will be 9? So it will be 6, okay. So here write 6 then. And next here, because it is 15, we have borrowed 1 from this, so it will be here 6. That is, it will be here 16. So 16 minus 8 is equal to 8, see here, right? And then next is here 4. Because here 7 is less than 8 here, so we have to borrow 1 from this. So here 3 is left. So 3 minus 1 is here 2 in this case. So now this is the answer. That is, in this box you will have 4 and here 6 and here 2. So in this way you will find the answer. And the next question here, I will do question number C. So 6, 5 box, 5 box, 6, 5 box and 5 and again another box, right? And 2, 8, 7, 2, 5, 2, 8, 7, 2 and 5, and subtract here, and the boxes are, box here is there, and then you have 7, 2 and one more box, and then here 9. Now find out the digits in these boxes. So what will be the digit in this box? Now it is 5 here, this is 9. So what number you will write here so that this minus 5 will be 9? Do you have any number? Because suppose if you write here, we can write only digits, okay. You can write in these boxes the digits like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we can write only these digits. So you cannot write 10 or 11 etc. You can write only one digit. So now you see here that if you write here 9, okay, the largest number here, so 9 minus 5 still will be 4. So it means that here we have to borrow something from this number, okay, only then we will get the answer like this. So here the number must be of 2 digits. So and that will happen only when we will borrow from 5, okay. So now here it is, you know that 9 plus 5 is what? 9 plus 5 is 14, okay. So it means that if you write here 14, okay, 14 here, that is, if you write in this case 4, okay, here you will write 4 and then you will borrow 1 from this, okay, then here it will be 14. Now see that if you here put this digit 4 here, then 4 is less than 5, so you have to borrow 1 from this number, so it will be 14. Then 14 minus 9, 5 will be here 9. So in this way you will think like this, and then you will find the answer. Now it is 4 here, and 4 minus 2 will be 2. So here answer will be 2 in this box. Now next is again this is the box here, and this is 7 here. So now you have these digits. Now can you have the difference of any of this? Minus 7 is 2. Yes, we have, okay, because see that if you write 9 in this case, so 9 minus 7 will be 2, so we can write 9 here, okay. So answer is here 9. So understood this. Next, now here we have 5 and then 8 here. So it means that you will have to borrow, that is it is 15 here, and then here it will be 5. So 15 minus 8 is 7, and 5 minus 2 will be here 3. So the answer is 3. So in this way you can find the missing digits in these type of questions. Now the next question, number 5, solve the following word problems. Okay, in this we are going to solve the word problems. So here there are 3 questions, and I have done like I did question number A, so I will do question number B. Okay, so and rest is done. So let us solve question number B. Question number 5 and B. So question number, the population of a town is 28,76,543. Okay. Population of a town equal to 28 lakh 76,543. Population means the number of people. Okay, population means the number of people living in an area or in a region. So here there is a town. Okay, so town is smaller than city. So here in a town there are 28,76,543 people are living in this, and out of these 15,42,678 are males. So number of males equal to number of males equal to 15,42,678, and we have to find how many females are there in the town. So you have to subtract here. Okay, here subtract these 2 numbers, then you will get the number of females. So here 3, and here what will be here what will be this 3 minus 8, it will be here 5. Okay, and here you will have 12, so 13 here, so it will be 6. Then here it will be 14, so it will be here 8, and here you will have 5, that is 3, and 7 minus 4 is 3, 8 minus 5 is 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the answer, that is the number of females equal to number of females equal to this, that is 13,33,865. Okay, so this is the answer now, and I have solved other questions in the PDF, so you will see the solution from that. And now here the important thing is that I have not solved many questions in this exercise. Okay, so the questions which I skipped, that question or those questions will be your homework, and you will complete your homework in your notebook with a neat and clean answer. Okay, so now I will move on to this next exercise, that is multiplication. Okay, so here it is this is the exercise 2.3. so in this I will solve some questions. Multiplication. Exercise 2.3. So in this there are some properties of multiplication. Okay, the property is that the product does not change even if the order changes. Like if you change, for example, if you multiply suppose 30 and 20, So answer is 600. Okay, and if you change the order means write 30 here and 20 here. Okay, then what will happen here? See, 20 into 30, again 600. Okay, so this is the property of multiplication, that if you change the order, the product does not change. Okay, if you change the order in the multiplication, the product remains the same. So this is the property. Next is the property of 1, that is if you multiply any number by 1, the answer will be that same number. For example, 38 into 1 equal to what? 38. Or suppose 5,26,368 will be into 1 equal to what? This will be the same number here, that is 5,26,368. So when you multiply 1 to a given number, like this is the given number here, multiply 1, you will get the same answer. So this is the property of 1. And next is the property of 0. If you multiply 0 to any number, answer will always be 0. For example, suppose here 6,72,800, okay, into 0, it will be 0. Okay, 0 into any number is 0 always. Okay, whether the number is small or big, the answer will always be 0. Okay, so 0, while you are multiplying, 0 makes everything 0, right? So these are the properties of 0. And other property, the fourth property is that the grouping of the numbers. If you change the order of the groupings of the numbers, for example, suppose here you have two numbers here, suppose 2 into 30 into suppose here 40. Okay, so here multiply this number, that is this into this group here, so it will be 600 into 40 equal to 24,000 here. And if you change the grouping, like here 20 into 30 into 40 here, so here first first I have multiplied this, now here I multiplied this here, so now again you will get the same answer, 1200 here, and then 12 to the 24,000. So see that in both cases, when you regroup the numbers, given numbers, the answer will remain the same. So these are the four properties of multiplication. Okay, now we will multiply the following. So how will we multiply? So remember these properties of multiplication. That is, again I will summarize this, that the first property is that when you change the order of the numbers, the product will remain the same. Okay, when you change the order of the numbers, then the product will remain the same. And when you multiply 1 to any given number, the product will be the same number. And when you multiply 0 to any number, the answer will always be 0. And the fourth is that if you regroup the numbers, given numbers, then the answer will again remain the same. Okay, so these are the properties. Now question number 1. So multiply this number A. Three lakh 36,000. It is 33,652 and multiply by 6. So multiply this, that is 6 to the 12, then you have 1. Okay, carry 1 here, so 6 5 is 30 and 30 plus 1 is 31. Then again you have 3 here, so 6 6 is 36 and plus 3. Okay, 6 to the 12, that is 1. Okay, you have 1 in your hand, and 6 5 is 30 plus 1. 30 plus 1 will be here 31. So write here 1 here, and then again you have 3 in your hand. Then 6 6 is 36. 36 plus 3 will be 39. So write here 9, and then again in your hand you have 3. So 6 3 is 18, and 18 plus 3 again will be 21. So write here 1, and then again you have 2. Okay, so 6 3 is 18 plus 2 will be 20. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, so this is the answer, and in this way you will multiply. So do you understand this, or did I do very fast? I think you would have understood this. Okay. So question number B. Question number B. Multiply this number. It is 5,90,621. Okay, 5,90,621 and multiply by 4. So this will be 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 and 4 6 ja 24. Okay, 24, then write 4 here and you have 2 in your hand. And then 4 0 ja 0 and 0 plus 2 will be 2 and 9 4 ja 36, 36, then you have 6 here and then write you have to carry 3 here. So 4 5 ja 20 plus 3 will be 23. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is the multiplication. Next I will multiply other question number 2, that is multiplying a number by a 2-digit number. This is by 1 digit, then multiplying by 2 digit. Question number 2. In this see here A. Okay, you have the number 1 2 4 6 2, 1 2 4 6 2 here, and the other number is here 88. So we have to multiply. So how will you multiply here? First you will multiply, that is it is 8 ones here. Okay, 8 ones. So multiply this number with the 8 ones. That is you will write here, that is suppose 8 2 ja here 16. Okay, then you have 1, then 8 6 ja 48, 48 plus 1 will be 49, then you have 4, then 8 4 ja 32 plus 4 will be 36, then you have 3, and then 8 2 ja 16 plus 3 will be 19, and then you have 1, and 8 1 ja 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, so here we have multiplied this number with 8, that is 8 ones here. Now we have to multiply this with the number that is 8 tens. Okay, so here 1 2 4 6 2. Okay, 1 2 4 6 2 into actually we will multiply this with 80 here. Okay, 80. Then what will you get here in this? Again you will get the same number but extra 0 here, that is 9 9 6 9 6 and 0. Okay, so this here, then you will write this number also here, that is 0 6 9 6 9 and 9. Okay, then we will add these two, then you will get the answer. Okay, so this is the method of doing this. Actually if you expand this number like 1 2 4 6 1 2 4 6 2, okay, and into 88. So if you expand this, then what do we do here? Actually this you will have this 10,000, the place will have this 1, and then plus here you have 2,000, plus you have here 400 plus 60 plus 2. Okay, and then you have 88 in this case. So now here 88 into this, then 88 into this, 88 into this, and 88 into this and this. So you will add all these numbers. So this is very long, but this is the shortcut method of doing this multiplication. But actually we do the multiplication like this. Now next question. Take up here the question number, suppose G. Okay, because many questions are there, so it is not possible to solve all those questions here. So you will solve all those questions as the homework. So 430 into 82 and into here 265. Okay, 265. So here first multiply this number with 5. So 5 2 ja 10, and then 8 5 ja 40 plus 1 41, then here 4. Now here multiply this number with 60 here. Okay, 60. So you will have 6 2 ja 12 here, and then that here 0. And then multiply this whole number with 200, because this is at the this is at the hundreds place, that is why multiply this with 2 hundreds. Okay, 2 hundreds here. So you will have this, that is 2 to the 4, then write here 0 and 0, then 2 to the 4 and 8 to the 16, then 2 0 the 0, 3 to the 6 and 4 to the 8, and then add all these three numbers 0, 3, this is the answer. Okay, let us see again. 5 to the 10, yes, it is correct. Okay, so 2 plus 1, yes, so this is the answer, right answer here, 3, 2, 2 and 1. So 1 crore 14 lakh 6,730 is the answer. Okay, so you must remember how to subtract here. Actually, again I will explain to you that here we multiply like 43082 into here 5 ones. Okay, 5 ones, then you will get this answer, that is you got 21540, and then you multiplied here 43082 into here 6 tens here. Okay, 6 tens, you will get what here, 258492, 25489 tens, and is equal to here it will be equal to 2548920, because it is tens here, so one more 0 will be here, and then again we multiply this 43082 into here 2 hundreds. Okay, 2 hundreds, then answer will be here, you have 86064, 86064 hundreds, and then this will be equal to 86064 and 00. So here we have to add this number and this number and this number, and then you will get the final product of these two numbers. Okay, so this is how you will multiply the numbers. Okay, now the remaining questions are the homework for you, and now I will solve one more question from this, that is the word problem, and in this here I will write, I will solve question number A. Okay, and you will have the homework, other questions. So how many hours are there in a year? Okay, how many hours are there in a year? How many hours are there in a year? So number of days in a year. Okay, number of days. Okay, first find number of days equal to how many? 365 days are there, you know, and you know that one day equal to 24 hours. Okay, and then multiply 365 by 24, so you will get the total number of hours in 1 year. So 5 4 ja 20, then 2, so you have, that is the number of hours in a year. Equal to 8760 hours. Okay, so you have 8760 hours, and you know, in this in these many hours, how many hours do you sleep? Okay, in 1 year, how many hours you sleep? if you sleep suppose 8 hours in one day, okay, so if you sleep 8 hours in one day, then you will sleep how many hours in 1 year? So this is the extra, okay, this is not your question but just interesting. See that how many hours do you sleep, okay, so I will just show you that how many hours you sleep. So let us see. So 365 into 8, okay, so 8 5 ja 40, then 4 2 here, then this, that is this. So you sleep 2920 hours. Yes, okay. So you see here that in 1 year you sleep 2920 hours, okay. So and you have a total of this much hours in your hand. So how many hours is left with you? Okay, see here it is 2920. So you have 0 here, then you have 4, and then 8, and then it will be here 7, that is 5. So you have 5840 hours, okay, that is you work this much hour, and in this hour also you spend many hours in playing and other stuffs here, okay. So so here just this is interesting that how many hours do you sleep in 1 year. So at least you sleep at least you can say that 3000 hours in 1 year, right? Okay, so now this is the and you will solve the remaining questions yourself, okay. So I hope you enjoyed this class, and then I will explain you the other topics in the next class, okay. And thank you for watching now.